Hello everyone! Today, we will read and write numbers within 1000 and represent numbers using an empty number line after modeling with place value disk. So let's get started. Alright, go ahead and get your whiteboard or math journal. We're going to draw 246 using our place value disk. You ready? Here we go. Count along with me. 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246. Did you draw it this way? If you did, you are correct. Alright, this time let's model 246 using an empty number line. Here we go. So we're going to represent this 246 place value disk using this empty number line. We need to start here to the left at 0. But first, we have to model 100, this 100. And notice that I'm going to make big hops for our hundreds. Here we go. We have 200s. 100, 200. And I'm going to label it 100. That's another 100. Now for our tens, notice that I'm going to draw 4 hops that are smaller than our 100. Here we go. 4 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is our 4 tens. Now I'm going to label it 200, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240. For our ones, I'm going to draw 6 mini hops. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to label it. This is our 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246. Don't forget to label it. Let's do some more. But this time, I'm going to draw the disk, but I'm not going to count out loud with you. I want you to count as I draw them and be ready to tell me or write down on your whiteboard what is the total value of the number on my place value chart. Ready? Here we go. All right. Now, what is the value of the number on my place value chart? Write it down. Okay, so the total value is 134. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. If you get 134, you are correct. Now, we're going to model it using our empty number line. Come on, let's do this. Here we go. Let's start with 100. And we're going to start to the left, remember. Here we go. It is our 100, 110, 120, 130. And for our ones, right, those are our 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mini hops. 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134. Label it. This is how we connect 134 to the place value system and an empty number line system. Remember, your hops don't have to be perfectly drawn. The idea is that your hops must be in different sizes. If it is 100, it should be bigger than the tens, and your ones should be smaller than the tens. Now, It's time for you to try it on Seesaw. You're going to model 72 and 427 using the placed value disk and an empty number line. Have fun, everyone!